Hey, what's up, guys? So right here I'm gonna be showing you how I did this look. Again, these are easy, very easy, for beginner friendly eyeshadow looks. Okay, let's begin. Okay, when you look at me, I did start on that eye, and then I was like, hold up, I gotta record this. Like, so I used what is it called, the Jeffree Star palette on this one, the one with he has all the nudes in that palette, and I used, dang, I forgot what eyeshadow I used. Okay, that brown right there is called All Night Long on the Jeffree palette. I'll put the link down below. So I'm going in with my Morphe brushes. These are the blending brushes that I keep recommending to you guys. Oh yeah, okay, so these are the brushes that I keep recommending to you guys. Um, so I did go in and I'm like just going back and forth because the blending brushes do the blending for you. Um, but some blending brushes don't work, guys, so I recommend this one. These blending brushes, they're really good and affordable. $40 for, I don't know when you guys are gonna see this video, but at the time I bought it, 2022, it was like 40 bucks. So look, so I'm just going back and forth because the blending does the blending for you. And of course I did prime my eyes. Okay, you gotta use primer so your eyeshadow could stay on all day. So right here you're just gonna see me go back and forth. You see, like, I'm just going like in one direction until it blends out and I don't see any harsh lines. All right, so I went to go get my that Pony Stellar Constellation palette from ColourPop. I believe it's ColourPop. But as you see, I switched the brush. The brush is not a blending brush anymore. It's just a regular brush. What these brushes do is they grab more color and it intensifies the color. And I'm using a baby blue color. I forgot what's it called. Hold on. Okay, yeah, it's called Lucid Dreams from the ColourPop palette. Um, I'm gonna show you in a little bit how that brush looks. Look at how that brush looks. It's just like a flatter brush because it's not a blending brush. So when you need to pick up more color, you use a brush like that, okay? And that's a blending brush. You see how fluffy it is? All right, so I'm going back in because that was important. I had to show you guys. When I was doing my makeup, I was like, I have to show them that. And again, this is very easy tutorial. Keep looking. Look, I'm just dabbing on it because I want to intensify the color. I did not put any concealer. I'm pretty sure if you put concealer before you did this, the color would have been intensified. But again, this is not a like a pro video. This is beginner friendly and easy to do looks. So now I go in with the bamboo of that palette. It's the same palette, and this one's called Bamboo. It's a dark blue on that palette. And I use the same brush, and I'm just going in, tapping it. Don't worry if it doesn't look blended. Who cares? Don't worry about it. Just keep tapping and tapping till you get your desired blue. So you're just going to see me, just putting on that bamboo. I'm just tapping. Look, you can see how harshly the lines are. I'm gonna go ahead and go pick up my blending brush, a new one. It's not the same one, it's a different one. It comes in the same thing, and I didn't pick up no product. Now I'm just going in and blending in these colors together, and I'm just going back and forth. And then that's how you blend colors, guys. It's that easy. Like, yeah, I'm just going back and forth till they blend together. There's many ways you can apply eyeshadow, but this is like the most simplest way you guys can get these looks that you guys see on the internet. It's not that hard. Then after I blend this, I'm gonna go ahead and go pick up that one color. What's it called? Let me see. Go see what's it called. All right, now that you guys seen me do blend, I don't fast forward the blending part so you guys can learn. These are learning purpose videos. This is not for entertainment. I went to go get a lavender shower from the same Constellation palette, and I use my finger. I like to use my finger with shimmer colors because it just transfers well, And honestly, yeah, I haven't, I didn't want to test out if this color could be, I could use a actual brush to transfer that shimmery color to that, because sometimes they don't transfer. So the finger, with the finger, like little shiny ones transfer fast. And I just use that lavender shower where, like, so I could even out like any blending, so you can't really see like if I missed any blending things, like if I didn't blend that good, that lavender shower like blended the baby blue to the dark blue effortlessly. All right, now I'm gonna go with my Stila eyeliner, dude. I seen on the internet this is only $22. Like, I swear, like, maybe I'm tripping, but I remember, uh, I asked the lady because she said the mini size is $22 and the big one is 35. So, but I don't know. Maybe on the web, I don't know. I gotta check out the website and this link again, but. On the website, it said you could get this for $22. I really recommend this eyeliner. It's super bomb. Uh, all right, guys. But yeah, this eyeliner, my eyeliner. If you've seen, I just start from the outer corner in, and then I start filling in the liner. Honestly, liner, it's just you gotta like practice, and then you'll get good at it. You know what I mean? All right, now I go in with my Max Stack mascara. I like to put on mascara before I put on my false lashes. So when I go take off my makeup in the night, it's easier for them to come off. You know what I mean? But yeah, that's my little technique. So like it doesn't pull on your lashes so much when you take it off at night and you go to sleep. All right, guys, now I go in with my makeup. I do have textured skin, so I only put makeup where I need it. I need it everywhere, but since I have textured skin, I don't like to put on makeup a lot everywhere because it looks funny, you know what I mean? And then you can see my uneven, like not smooth skin so much. So I just apply it like this. And I use my Mr. Perfect brush that I got from Macy's. I love it. It's from Too Faced. It's called Mr. Perfect. And I'm using the Too Faced foundation also. I'll put the links down below. I like this foundation. It stays on forever. And it conceals very good, I believe. And that's how I apply my makeup. And this is a good technique if you have textured skin. If your skin is like not smooth. You know what I mean? Like, even if your skin is smooth, honestly, only use makeup where you need it. You know what I mean? Because, makeup is just to hide imperfection. So, just keep doing it. And then I go get a little cotton ball. After, like, whatever. I get a little cotton ball and then I go clean it up a little bit. Watch, you'll see. Like, look at that little cotton ball. I clean off. I take off makeup. And I left it right there because I had a blemish that I wanted to cover right there. Alright, guys. Now I'm going to go in with my blush. I always use that Benefit blush, California Living or something like that. But I found this really cool blush. It's from Essence. $3 from Target. And I love it. I really, really love it so much that I don't use the $35 one anymore because I like this $3 one. But yeah, I love it. Like, nobody hate. Like, I really love it. Like, I don't care what anybody says. But yeah, I put my little blush right there, blah blah blah. Oh, and I use that that blush brush is from MAC. I love that brush, dude. I'll put the link down below what brush that is, but it's a very good brush. I'm pretty sure it's probably like 19 or $30, but I don't care how much it is, dude. Like, wherever I want to put the blush, it's there, and wherever I put the blush, it's like blended nicely. Like, it's like there's never no patches, nothing like that. I love that brush. And like, honestly, I've never like spent like a lot of money on a brush you know, on a blush brush especially. Like, I spend a lot of money on other brushes, but not on a blush brush. But this one I highly recommend it. All right, now I'm gonna go on my bottom lashes. I'm gonna use that Lucid Dream from that palette, Constellation palette from ColourPop. And you know, just a little regular flat brush, a little one, to go on under my eyes. And then I just apply that to the bottom of my lashes. Okay, I'm fast forwarding this part, you know. Then I gonna get for that same palette, and I'm gonna get that white color that it's from that same palette, the Constellation palette. Let me see, what's it called. Okay, that shadow that I'm applying to my inner corners is called Breathe from that palette. Okay guys, now I'm going in with my MAC Stack mascara again, and I'm doing my bottom lashes. This part is fast forwarded because there's no cool technique, you know, that you could need to see, like the blending part of when I blend my eyeshadow. I don't fast forward the blending part because I want you guys to see in real time, like how long it takes to blend, and you know, just everything. It's important. This is not really important because this is very easy. Everybody could do it. Your 5-year-old could do that, or your little 5-year-old sister, whoever, you know, whatever you are, you know, if you have kids or don't, whatever. I'm going in with my lip liner. You know, this one's called Strip Down from MAC, and I only paint the front, and that gives the illusion of big lips, you know what I mean. And I go in with my MAC lipstick. This one's called Transform from MAC, and I love it. But matte lipsticks, if your lips are not matte, like, I mean moisturized, like, you look crazy. But anyways, look, that was a fake ass ponytail. Okay, yeah, and I'm just taking down my little fake ponytail. Now I'm gonna, like, I do have gel on my hair, so it's gonna be kind of hard to comb out. So now I'm gonna comb it out, and I'm gonna do 2 French braids, you know what I mean, so I could put that wig that you guys seen on the thumbtail, you know. So if you guys don't know how to do French braids, like, you need to learn, like, you know what I mean. You could pay people to do stuff, but there's just so much that, you know, you need to learn how to do, you know what I mean. Like, you can't pay somebody to do French braids to you every day. You can't pay somebody to do your makeup every day unless, like, you're the queen of the royalty or something like that, like, or unless you got extra money to spend, you know what I mean. But, like, I seen on this lady, like, I don't know, from those reality shows, Love and Basketball or something like that. She had her own little studio in her house, and she supposedly she had a makeup artist do her makeup every day. Like, if you really make that money so for somebody to do your makeup that every day, like, I don't know, dude. Like, I don't think I could do that. Like, dude, I need to do my own makeup. Like, I don't know. Like, you guys need to learn how to do stuff. All right, bye. Oh no, I still have to go. So I'm gonna cut this, and then I'm gonna go. You guys got the concept of the braid, okay? I'm gonna go to the wig part. All right, guys, so, like, now that you guys see me, I did the French braids. I put the eyelashes on because I just cut the eyelashes part off because, you know, you guys need to, like, learn in another video, though, not in this one. I put the wig cap on, and then now, oh yeah, the wig cap came with this supposedly, like, non-slip thing, you know what I mean. But whatever, I wear it anyway. Like, I'm just trying to see how it is. I never wear a wig, non-wig, slip, whatever that is. But anyways, I go in and I put my wig on. Yesterday I did cut these bangs. It did not come cut like this. I like my eyebrow showing with my wig, so you can just go adjust it and stuff. But then, damn, you know, instant bombness. Okay, bye guys. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you watched this video and didn't give it a thumbs up, that means you're a hater. So whatever. Dude, for real, I be watching my minutes watch, and I see all these minutes watch, and I don't be getting no likes. Like, what the hell? All right, that's it, guys. You know, thank you guys for watching. The people that are not haters, I love you guys. Thank you guys for watching so much. Bye.